Currently in the United States, as is true in most countries around the world, there are two principal forms of data collection that speak to crime data. The first one are from the FBI, and those are based on arrests known to police departments around the country. The second one is the Bureau of Justice Statistics National Crime Victimization Survey, which are based on individuals and households. The latter focus on a series of violent crimes and property crimes, with the exception of homicide. But the FBI data collect a variety of different types of crimes. So in the United States, we have these two measures, and that's a really good thing because we like to compare and contrast to see if we see the same trends occurring in both of those two forms of data collection. With respect to their strengths and weaknesses, obviously with the arrest data, the strength of that is you have all of the police departments around the country for the most part reporting, but you miss crimes that don't come to the attention of the police. With respect to the victimization data, that gives you a way to get at that, what we call the dark figure of crime that's missing from the arrest data. But then again, not everybody always reports. So you have advantages and disadvantages with each of those, like you do with any kind of data collection system in any particular facet of any particular topic of interest. And so the ideal is always to look at both of them to see if they both tell us the same story.